let's do this meeting maybe by 10 minutes time we'll finish. Yeah, because I've wasted a lot of time.
I know.
I need to also enter into another theory.
I know.
Particularly also to where I'm going is it has to do with this stuff we are bringing up. Indeed, like you said, so many things are in the pipeline.
Yes, please.
We are looking at one, coming out with a big exposure on radio. And this exposure goes to your main target, alright? I think I kept mentioning that long you're going to your brother. So one exposure that we are gathering all the information. And like I said, a lot coming up. Sure, there's a lot coming up. So, and I'm speaking for myself.
Okay.
So there's separate projects in the pipeline. My project is one. We are coming out with a radio program, an investigative undercover show on him, right? Number two, we are also, the team is putting up our technical team and everything. Then we are coming out with a big documentary. This documentary is going to capture a lot of things. We are looking at roughly about 2.5 hours, or if not less than 2 hours. What we are left to do is that this documentary is about to take off. We are about to shoot. Alright, we bring studio, what do you call it, cost. We bring our camera, equipment. We bring the studio into costing. Not demo, so that we bring the studio into question. We bring equipment into question. Then we bring the crew into question. Alright? Then the information gathering itself. And all the people who must come on set. They come on set, the rest must say, yeah, because this man has something, you have something, somebody has something. You must fuse all of them with hard evidence that will fuse into it. Then the fourth one is about how we premiere and the places that we want to premiere it. So the cost comes huge. And that's why we leave it to Ghanaians to charge. So on your front, on Momo front, we are looking at giving a cost of 35,000 Muslim from now. Your friend can't your documentary now.
That's 50 million.
Yeah. Now your more friend can't send that. So maybe try the more fine. We will not beat it. We won't
please, hope you heard the amount. I don't call you, so you
no big deal. No big deal.
I prefer you count it. I prefer when I give you money.
No.
If you can't, no. That's all I always say. And swear.
No, it's no matter.
Listen to me. There should be trust between us. I understand.
I can figure it in my hands. Don't worry.
Give it to me.
The most important.
Let me take someone and figure it out. Say as well.
Don't play.
No, I'm not playing this. Just
No.
I understand you.
Oh my goodness. Call your brother. You will send your best search in your mail.
I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't be disappointed, please.
Yeah, mention say grass make kasa. What started the way here back. Men judge you be antino. And no your opinion into my me trema agent massa. Oh dear, Yankoso. Now assembling in an saying. I'm say and ra first of all, and me who City FM online. And MSA announce actual command National Media Commission said, Justice and no 4th FM. Or Ghana must know, Ghana must hear BBB. Maybe 10 years our program to be said in the function. Or say National Media, and check quite be on the Befaso because of say or attacking a personality. And then my name after the expose of number 12. And no any letter and now City FM any other media portals on website. And which and I started no an adokra and a video be share say security. video ni mu no se wo hwa na se Justice Anan one group biti wa je ni nyina no nkamfo ase omo ye bibia kese odi be expose anas woni ne ma bia wo ye hona omo ma ni sika na de wo video ni mu a eye a little bit intriguing anas bibi wo a obi be ka se brofu mu se we reveal any say video ni mu no omo ma ni sika no omo o ka kire omo adwuma no se de be koso na omo di sika no ma no senka obi a we undercover journalist na say o say anas onye saint fine me madikanka na say ebia ofo say people are trapping you now they are giving you money enka papa mo ampa no enka what will you do enka ho kra ni sika no be dey wo be kan ana say sika no wo be ye bibi e wo honum ama hu but wo so sika no ma wo sika no enough now on the feeling of your hand you can see say scan here 35,000 so and two Maunsa Justice Odi Olubiaba out to our say he knew people Anas people would trap him because of say he was on the neck of Anas after the number 12 expose. It's say and CBI war trade fair area honum. And baby military zone near the idea to say la area honum baby said then honum himself for $1. Anas edi langa edi gusu ojeje nkrofo asase ene ne manema anase ye ntino na enka ogusu a ngoye dey o expose no fine etina onim se nkrofo be expose no ntino time nkrofo we friend no na anase nkrofo ne friend ni nyina ne was aware na mra omsia no afrikiko ene ye nyina bag bi omde buy but sane man nsisi so e afterthought because undercover journalists like Justice Anan said here oma obi ehun se oye na dwuma no. So we undercover journalists now say obi trapewa. How come say uko hono we went to me anya smart amfa obi bi amko say witness bi kwakuba akobeka your witness. Why say uko sia usi nkrofo trapew metie say minim say me ye bibi no obi trape me na me kwa na so obi afre me obi somebody that I don't know has called me and I say wa frame me na minim no me sia neda. Na me undercover journalist I know say I am just doing something say obi aye adwuma bi na me fo say nipa ne nye clean enti me expose nipa no na say me ko ho no ma unfa wo hwe nko no akwakotena ho no ma record o na wo wi a wa be gina ho say ena omo record me na I know but meanwhile you don't have evidence any evidence be nana mama me chiapa yeah be scout. Yeah, ask again, why did he take the money? And now, two, also you undercover journalist, fine. Now, unimsa nasene and Crawford trap you. No more trap you are. Undercover journalists are with radio, so I was Ghana must know I was not the day. When you were going there, when to me and fat also Ubi Biam call amateur mention when I went there, I was aware until this is what I recorded. And you know, Omo Famra, name so many family and Mrania for 20. And you know, the justice all Canadian, and he was not smart. And you are trapping him, and you are chilling. He was not smart. Anas actually say he's smarter than him. And Anas video, no crowd, actually say, no one, and they saint. Justice Rippers or say, oh, Unkova Anas in Yamawaye. But you are not saint. The money you took, you took the money. I wouldn't say, Obia Niho, and I would discount. Because this kind of say a business deal, and I know where. And now even if you were aware, said those people are coming to record you or to trap you, and Kawoko Hon, who the camera be subesi as an undercover journalist, you wouldn't have gone there. Say, oh, no record, no you are about the catcher, say, now you were aware. Massa Obwa, no undercover journalist will be assume and me tia, Nancy Mene, Brony be a 1-2 business be, live business be, and your business bonnie. Na me won yama bi ameton and am the two website na Bruni no beto. Who say Bruni no ba me fie na the address na ba no. Oba nyina no me ye phone se na so enti na me kire no ba bi amete o park ni car o me area me fie ba bi am fie ben. Oba no o kasa wo. Eto oba wura me fie kura no na o kasa. So I just say oba wura me fie me te so o kasa no obi kasa so wadu ho. So I just enti no oba nyina no oni me just on telephone na on online and wo hume me ton bibia or beto into all ban or no kura ni bibi or deba. That is what say oh ye bibi ni mobia also kono because of witness inti who the bibi but what just an idea when you are going to meet those people now we'll see you are aware sanas now small one to me antre Augustine Dufi bless one to me amfa wankasa wandaka juma wo ye your experience no anko etimasa we the woka no afterthought masa yacho you have been caught in a web period just admit it anas onye angelo me da bia me ka say abrochire ha yeti bisa ye dia comfort na chi akonfo it anas wo let's assume say anas ye froster anas ye comfort na say otimi expose the corrupt people in the society aduma no ye and every work that aduma a obeye no odidi memiti e me ya aduma enti me ya aduma bididi say me BBC be fam say me nya undercover mom I will do it BBC o me documentary o me Africa for bebre ye documentary enye BBC kwa kromo eti enkrofo timi frankofo ye documentary mom ebi o ho very dangerous they send people to the jungles in Africa and stuff what I say ko ye documentary ni niema omo you they pay them big I'm telling you eti ye tete wa ye keka na announce Google na numa say ye fraud ye nonsense sanas ye first akra na at least Uber brocha ye the drug barons and the drug barons. When you travel abroad, you the drug barons and you the comfort and the comfort. And you know, just or your comfort fine, or we are there fine. But you are not Ghana. Your problem they say yes, you are Jobidi and to a customer will be a tree. Can I Japan you say okay? No, we don't have to sit down and not doing ye. And that's what being caso angel. And answer or a saint. And that's not saint or angel, but the work he is doing. That is what we supposed to talk.